What's up guys, Capt Gonzalez here with another video on Capt Gonzo. I'm going to show you how I connect braid to fluorocarbon or mono if you want to make a leader. Real simple, I'm going to do this fast, a little less explaining. So you want to give yourself a loop about 6 inches with the fluorocarbon or the leader, okay? Make a loop, take that braid, stick it through that hole, pull it through, pinch it, and you're gonna wanna wrap downwards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times down, and now 7 times up. Notice how I just pinched as I go up, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and you wanna pass that the same way you just came in, you wanna come out. So this is what it should look like. Wet it up, and as you wet it, start pulling, and you're gonna wind up with that towards the end. See that there? Now, one last thing you want to do, now that you have it tight, you're going to want to wrap, and pull. Pull. Okay? Now you're going to cut really tight that extra fluorocarbon tab. Boom, there you go. And on the braid side, I like to give it 2 hitches. Why? I'll show you and I'll explain in a minute. 2 small hitches, 1 and 2. Okay, now when I clip this braid, I'm not gonna clip it as short as I did the mono. I wanna leave a small tail. So there's my small tail that I'll leave. Trust me, that's not gonna get hung up on your guides. But the reason I leave that is I've had this in the past after casting, and this going through those guides. Once in a blue moon, you could actually have this knot somewhat unravel, and we don't want that to happen. So there you go, Albright knot, real simple, strong, connect mono to braid. You guys be great.